Hi everyone! Straight from dealership, Suzuki 5-door Jimny for upgrade. The modes we have installed. We replaced the original grille to JDM style on matte black finish. And also we replaced the horn to PIAA sports horn. And also we replaced the fog lamp bulb to LED to match the headlight. Okay. For the engine, we installed hood insulator. And also, we replaced the stock airbox to greedy exhaust intake. This is the aluminum heat shield, the free flow intake will start the engine so that you can hear the difference with the aftermarket intake. Okay. For the suspension lift on this unit, we're using the JAOS, complete JAOS Battle Z suspension. We'll show you what are the suspension composed on the unit. Adjustable shocks, TI, coil spring, extended brake hose, and also we replaced the front bushing, caster bushing to angle. The purpose of the caster bushing, when you lift your vehicle, the front differential will tilt. The purpose of the bushing, caster bushing, at least the differential is straight, not tilting downward. And also, front adjustable panhard. This is the JAOS adjustable panhard. Let's check the back suspension. For the rear adjustable panhard by JAOS, adjustable shocks. This is the adjustment, and the coil spring, TI coil spring, and also extended, one-piece extended brake hose on the rear. Total of 3 brake hose extended, original JAOS. And also, before I forgot, we replaced the exhaust to HKS Legal Max Trail Master exhaust with TI titanium tip. We'll start so you can check out the sound of the exhaust. For the interior on this unit, we also added those important like the Hypotec matting, Exea door holders, a cell phone holder. Okay. We replaced also the interior LED light. Top speed, throttle, controller. No lag, no delayed. You can adjust all the adjustment you like. Like you can use the top speed, anti-lag, sports, eco mode through via Bluetooth cell phone. And also for the tint on this unit, we're using the BF Stone Plus. This is the 90% heat rejection. On the front windshield, we're using the medium. And the two side door, we're using super dark. While the second row to the back, we use medium because the factory glass on the second row is smoke already. So that it will blend in, as you can see from here, from the inside, it's look same color. And also, we installed Axea Assist grip pocket to put your coins, and also cup holder with cell phone holder also here, and also Greedy original seat belt pad. Okay. We installed front runner slimline basket. This is specifically made for 5-door. This is the best of the best. This is made from South Africa. This is only the brand right now making roof basket for 5-door Jimny. What other things? Okay. For the rims and tires on this unit, we're using the Vocrace Versus wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich KO2 tires. Before I forgot, we also installed Exea defogger cover. And also, soon, we're going to replace the hood shocks. the tailgate shocks to prevent it from fast opening. That's the problem with the Jimny. And we're going to upgrade also the steering soon. Okay. If you're interested on our build here, simplicity is the best. As you can see, feel free to message me. And please subscribe and like my YouTube channel at PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, guys. Bye!